So there's a silent epidemic in the car scene. Not gas prices, not stolen catalytic converters. It's stand by my car syndrome. You know the type. They're at every Cars and Coffee, every meet, every show. They pop the hood, fold their arms, and just exist. Looking at their car like it's an NFT, something to admire but never use. We've all seen it. Heck, maybe we've been that guy. You've spent thousands on coilovers, forged wheels, aero bits, big brakes, sticky tires, and then you just park it. It's like buying a pair of Jordans and never wearing them, or getting a gym membership just to post mirror selfies. Let me ask you this. What's the point of building a performance car if you never let it perform? Your car's begging to be driven, not just displayed. Your car's not just a rolling trophy, it's a tool, a dance partner, a weapon, and it deserves to be used in the way it was engineered to be, at the limit. Enter Autocross, the best kept secret in motorsports in my opinion. No mods needed, no big budget, just you, your car, and your ability to hustle through a parking lot turned into a racetrack. For about $50, you're racing against the clock, weaving through cones in a low-speed thrill ride. It's all about skill, not egos. Don't have a race car? Doesn't matter. At Autocross, bone stock cars run every weekend. Civics, trucks, even your mom's Corolla. It's not about horsepower, it's about control. Grip, balance, finesse, that's what counts. Knowing how to push your car and yourself without a guardrail waiting to punish you. Your first run will teach you more about you and your car than any car show or dyno ever could. Autocross isn't just about fun, it's practical. You'll master car control, understeer, oversteer, and grip in any condition. You'll learn how your car behaves at the edge of traction. Ever hit black ice or hydroplane? Imagine knowing exactly what your car will do and how you should react. Autocross doesn't just make you faster, it makes you a safer driver. Here's the kicker. Autocross is just the beginning. It's like that first puff of motorsports, the gateway drug. You start with a few cones in a parking lot. Next thing you know, you're chasing apexes at track days or dreaming of rally. It's the first step into a world of driving passion. Accessible, affordable, and addictive. So to the lawn chair crew out there, car shows are great, but driving is better. Close the hood, stop polishing your intake, and drive your effing car. You don't need to be fast, you don't need to be furious. Autocross isn't about being the fastest, it's about learning, laughing, and loving every second. It's where driving becomes more than just transportation. It becomes a skill, a passion, and yeah, sometimes a little bit of a healthy obsession. So stop standing and start driving. This weekend, find your local Autocross club or an SCCA event. Sign up, show up, and see what your car and you can do. You won't regret it, but your tires might. So hit the throttle, not just the like button. Give it a subscribe for more automotive content, and I'll see you on the track or in the garage.